Are you tired of manually recreating the same ticket form in Zendesk every time? Duplicate any ticket form in under 2 minutes with this 9-step walkthrough. First, we'll navigate to the Admin Center and find the Forms section. Then you'll clone your ticket form with just 2 clicks.
Start by navigating to your Zendesk homepage.
Then, click on Support or the drop-down icon in the top left corner to open the main menu. From there, click on Admin Center to get into your settings. Now, go to the top right and click on the search bar. Then type Forms into the search field. And click on the Forms option that appears. Now, hover your mouse over the form you'd like to duplicate. Then click on the Clone button that appears. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated your form. Enjoy! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.